ग्रिप के एकदम आने के बाद चोक में जाए, फिर वो सरेंडर करके ऐसे टैप कर देता है। जब आदमी के हाथ में चोक आ जाता है, जो ओपोनेंट रहता है उसकी आंख में दिख जाता है, पीएम की आंख में डर दिखता है, दिख रहा है सर। This is a wholesale surrender. Like I said, jujitsu में grip दिखती है, राजनीति में grip choke नहीं दिखता. At the center of our budget is a choke applied by Mr. Adani. Please understand that the case in the United States is targeted at the Prime Minister of India, not at Mr. Adani. It is targeted at the financial architecture of the BJP. दो चीजें हैं सर, एक सर एप्स्टीन केस, सर 3 million files are still locked up.
उसका इस विषय से कोई संबंध नहीं।
I want to understand.
I will not allow you.
I do not believe that any Indian Prime Minister, including Mr. Modi, would sign such a deal unless there was a chokehold on it. We have buckled on tariffs, handed out our data. Our farmers have been left to the mercy of mechanized, massive American farms. Our textiles have been wiped out. Our energy security has been handed over. Now, I don't believe any Indian Prime Minister would do this. Logic in here, sir. And it is a tragedy because it is a surrender not just of the Prime Minister. He has surrendered the future of 1.5 billion Indians.